Hello guys, I'm Hassan Shakur and I'm from Cad Gizmo. Friends, in this lesson we will learn about uses of command ptype in Autocad 2021. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, with the point tool we can specify the coordinate x and y direction and also the elevation of that point with the z value. And when we give the points, after that we can also change the size and style of that points, and for that type DDPTYPE and press enter. In this way you can open the dialog box of point style. From here you can change the style like this, and first we make some points on our drawing like this, and with the polyline we can close it. In this way we can make our geometry. Now if I want to increase the size and the scale, type DDPTYPE and press enter. Now if I click on this point and click OK, you can see the style of point is changed. If I go to again in the P type and select this point and click OK, in this way you can change your point style. And if I want to increase the size of this point, go to again and give the 1 inch and press enter. In this way you can see the size of this point is reduced. And if I want to increase, then go to P type again and here type 6 inches and click on OK. So in this way we can reduce or increase the point size and also change the point style. So guys, this is the video about ptype. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.